Alright. Yeah, it's not that nice.
Oh.
You can see it in there.
Yeah, I can see. Doesn't look yummy water. I'm not gonna show my face because I look like quite bad. Now I'm gonna show them. Guys, this next day we both are having, how can you say 몸살 in English? They don't have a word for that, right?
Just
Body
ache.
sore, body ache. So we both are like that. So
Sorry.
yeah, we both have a little bit different symptom, but we have a body sore, right? Body ache, you know. But tomorrow we gotta move because water doesn't look that tasty. So we're gonna use a Berkey to filter everything and wash up too, right? Good morning, TV crew. We wanted to show you guys where we camp as soon as we got into France, but not luckily. Unfortunately, we both got cold, so we stayed inside of the TV yesterday, tried to heal up, but still is going on, unfortunately. So where we camp, you guys can see is a farmland. Oh, weather doesn't look good. Today we are gonna head to the free campsite and then charge up TV, and also we gotta charge ourselves up, right? Brake fluid too.
Brake fluid is leaking out.
Monday we are gonna head to the mechanic, and as you guys saw that we just show you that brake fluid is leaking. We know that we have to change the brake pad, and then I think there is something leaking on brake fluid, so we are gonna check on it. Hopefully French mechanics will willing to take our van, because somehow in Europe some places like they don't want to check the foreign cars. I understand, because they don't want to work on kind of they are not familiar, but cross the finger they will check it. Yeah, that's our plan. I'm freaking cold. It went down?
Yeah.
The liquid?
Yeah.
You can see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's the max, there's the minimum, and it's right there. It's above minimum, but I just want to keep it topped off.
그 마지막 그거다, 지퍼백.
Let's see if this will work. Yeah, it's working. Yeah.
Tissue?
Sure. There we go.
We want a kind of better weather, right? But here it's like really foggy, huh?
Not nice.
Oh, not nice. When you're sick and having this weather, it's quite a depressing. We are stopping Alton, so we are gonna grab something to maybe snack.
The shopping cart, how tiny it is.
Oh, so cute, huh? Do you
Bonjour.
Oh,
You don't speak French.
No, it's not possible for stream inside.
Oh, we're not
stream is a video. Yeah,
Just last time?
yeah.
Okay, no stream.
No, we don't. I guess like you cannot stream, but we cannot even stream because the data. 역시 진짜 프랑스는 빵이 맛있어. 맛있다. 눈 온다. 근데.
One spot left.
Lucky us.
Lucky.
Lucky, we're lucky.
Wait. Let's see if we can find electricity though.
We are here for free camp spot, and then we took the last spot. Let me go outside.
It's freezing cold outside.
그래. 봅시다. 허니야, 전기 되는지 확인 한번 해봐야 될 것 같긴 하다, 맞지? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's working. Guys, it's kind of snow a little bit thicker. Before it's a sleet, is it right to say? Now is I can hear the snows on my clothes. Can you see?
오징어 어딘데?
진미채.
오징어.
아플 때일수록 잘 먹어야 돼. 나는 조금 나은 것 같다, 언니야, 상태가. 덥다.
Oh, these 동그랑땡 are so cute.
맛있게 드셔보세요.
네.
김치도 있으니까. It's so weird. 안 싸지는 너무 쪼매난 거에서. 아. 빨리 먹고 빨리 나와라. Good morning, TV crew. We stay at the free campsite pretty good. We didn't do anything. We didn't film anything. Basically, we both were sick and tried to get rest. And with like heater on, right?
Yeah.
Because like we noticed that better to stay warmer than usual for this cold so that we can get over with it as soon as possible. I think I feel better. Yesterday I felt much better. But what about you?
I think I feel a little bit better.
So anyways, today we are gonna find mechanic, right? Try. Yeah.
It's not gonna be easy.
Yeah, it's because we have a little bit bad experience in France to change our simple engine oil. Previously, they reject us every time where we go. It wasn't easy to deal with that kind of stuff. But today, we have to figure out our brake liquid leaking area.
Yeah.
Brake fluid, yeah. And the other one is that we have to change brake pad. We haven't changed at all, right? Since we bought QB, we never ever.
8 years.
Yeah, because everyone said like, yeah, your brake pad is good conditions, and no need to change. We are not having a high hope actually. We kind of be prepared that we get rejections from the garage. So yeah, it would be a little bit of
Stress.
yeah, stress. So it is what it is, understand. Hopefully we can find a good mechanic who's willing to check our van. Alright, let's go.
Let's do it.
It is 26 minutes away, so we're gonna find a resort soon. And yeah, keep ride. Keep ride. Ooh, we might need to renter. Let's go. Bonjour.
They're gonna check it out and do an estimate on it.
They can fix it or not, right?
Yeah, we'll see. They're gonna let us know in 2 hours.
2 hours? Crossing over. Anyways, they didn't kick us out right away.
Yeah. Last time it was just a straight up no, get out of
waste
here.
your time, just don't get out of your car, right? 그럼 여기서는 안 된다는 거네.
Yeah.
There's the car, but waiting for us. That's good. Okay. So we didn't talk about the things going on. Anyways, they tried to find the parts, but unfortunately they couldn't find any of our problem, which is the drum brake parts kit. They cannot find it, and then even brake pad they cannot find it. Even our engine oil filter they couldn't find it. So they say that it's kind of like nothing they can do. We understand that. We always confront with that kind of problems, so it's not a big deal. But we are gonna try to find the mechanic or other garage. We know and is what is the problem, so that's a good thing. And we gotta find a place to sleep tonight, right?
Yeah. Oh, the wrong way.
Maybe. The one thing we are debating is, are we gonna stay in France, search for the mechanic, or we are gonna go up to Germany? The reason why we didn't have, actually personally I didn't have any high hope that in France we can check our van, because previously they reject our van. My kind of hope for fixing our van in France is kind of low. But Germany, we had so many experience to changing our engine oil, no problem. We just drive in, that's it. 10 minutes later, finish, you just take off. So we know that there we can at least change engine oil. Maybe there's a possibility that we can find a garage in Germany. We can, like ask them to fix it as long as we have parts. I think TV is getting old. Actually, this year, May, she's gonna be 20 years old. She's pretty old, right? So little bits and problem absolutely happen. But actually, compared to other Vanlifers, other people, we don't have that huge, deal with her. I'm really, feel better, right? We don't have that huge major engine blow up like situation. So yeah, tonight we are gonna search and figure the things out, right? 방금 들어오다가 범퍼를 좀 박았습니다. Do you want me to help?
Yeah.
Two others, right?
There we go.
That's better than reading our
License plate, which never works, huh?
절대 안 되잖아 우리.
Alright, now we gotta find an electrical outlet. It's available. There's plenty. Wow, this parking lot is so full, huh?
저기요. 야,
네.
진짜 아픈 척 하지 마라. 누가 이 맥주 까라 그랬어? Do you think it'll be delicious, baby?
No,
Why?
because it's like ramen stew.
왜
Instant
라면 스튜야? 인스턴트. 왜 인스턴트 스튜야?
시간 없으니까.
니 귀찮지? 여튼 오늘은 이렇게 천천히 차 안에서 보내보도록 하겠습니다. Guys, while I was doing vlog in Korean, I made a huge mess. Mark will kill me, seriously. I overflowed the tomato soup. I'm in trouble. I gotta clean up before Mark come in. So in the morning we were kind of busy for planning our travel. First thing is yesterday snowed a lot. It's still thick of snow outside. So when I went outside, and the Crocs just sunk into the snow. So the weather for 4 days next 4 days is quite bad. We are gonna hit -7 or certain areas, -11 or something like that. So we knew that, and we were planning to go to the coastline because coast area would be a little bit warmer. But there's another things we had to consider because our car is not in good conditions. The drum brake has a problem, engine oil need to change, and a brake pad need to change. So in France, we know that it's not easy to do it, and then we know that in Germany we have more hope, higher hope to fix her. And then Mark found that the parts, he can find it in Amazon. German Amazon website, so we know that we can get the part too. So our debating was we gotta get into the Germany because our car is quite important for our lifestyle, and then it is kind of connect with the safety because this is related with the brake. But we cannot get right now because we have to wait for better weather, warmer weather. The next 4 days will be hard. So if we are gonna go back to coastline, it would be 100 kilometers away from Germany. So we are debating what should we do? Should we drive to the coast and get away from this weather? But we are thinking we have to back and forth. It would be adding 200 kilometers. So we decide to stay in this campsite next coldest time. So Mark is cleaning up outside, and he's quite busy because snow is just stuck up to his head and front and back, and certain things change to the ice. So you know, absolutely tonight it will change to the ice. So he wants to clean everything before it can damage your car, and also it's not good for it, you know. So he's doing it, and he asked me to check on the tomato soup, and I overflowed it while I was doing vlog, and he's gonna kill me. You know, he's busy outside. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna just wipe it out, and I say like, oh, I think I boil quite good, so soup just went down a little bit. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna do. 탔잖아. 때문이야.
Sorry. The soup looks really good. I like the color.
완전 뜨거워온다. 어때?
It's good. Soup's really good.
You look like a duck or something.
왜?
Screen button. See lights on? You just push 0581. Open.
Wow. Interesting.
That's the shower.
쿨하네.
When you push the button to lock.
이거?
Yeah.
나 이런 거 무섭대. 못 믿는다, 이거 기계를.
And see, it's got this kind of faucet.
어.
So maybe we might be able to use this and fill up with water, so we don't have to pay.
100리터에 2유로인데 우리 100리터가 안 되니까.
Okay, we'll just take this guy here. And do you want to go ahead and push the button for me?
되네.
Perfecto. Not bad, huh?